Over at House 4, Luke and Jasmin have a bedroom and living room / study to finish. And for Luke, it's nightmare time. With 3.5 hours to go before power tools down, a squeaky floor has forced Luke to cut a peephole to find the source of the problem.
Here's our first problem. No glue. Your worst nightmare's just happened. Luke and Jasmin moved their bathroom weeks ago. Now, that section of the floor, we never glued it down because we assumed everyone was just going to put a bathroom there. And we told everyone that those sheets had to be lifted and then re-glued. Luke missed that process, and now it's come to bite him back in the bum.
I thought we'd just be able to screw a few more screws in and she'd be right. Hoping it was an easy fix.
He knew about this yesterday afternoon. He didn't try and fix it then. He left it till today. Then he kept procrastinating. He kept saying, next hour, I'll get to it. And it got to about 1:30 and I said, Luke, you have to get onto this. This could be a big issue. I'm gonna have to talk to the builder, mate. Because at the end of the day, it's his warranty.
5 minutes later.
Spoken to the builder.
Yeah.
Has to be glued. Spoken to Scotty. Can't be revealed until it's fixed. All this section here has to be ripped up, glued. We didn't glue this section because this was supposed to be
You tell me then.
Where
Then
the
you've got to tell us that. We don't know that.
We told everyone that.
No, you didn't.
We told everyone.
No, because everything else was glued.
No.
When we put our constructor floor
We told
in.
everyone because this is where the ensuites were going to be. And then you decided to move it over there, and we said this section still needs to be done.
No.
There's no one said that there was no glue on this.
We can argue this all we want.
Yeah,
at the end of the
builder hasn't.
It's not the builder. It's not us.
Me. Oh, I've hit something. Just so angry and so frustrated. It's like no one told us.
We did, mate.
No one told us.
We told everyone.
Not one person told us.
check,
How come everyone else has done it?
You've got to check too, mate.
No one told us. Well, it's fixed. It's fixed down.
No, every other
It's
contestant.
not loose.
But every other contestant's done it.
Have you guys glued your floors down?
Yeah.
Like your underfloor?
We have, yeah.
You can't sell a multi-million-dollar house with a squeaky floor. It doesn't work like that.
Because that's on the plans where the bathrooms were going to go, always. So we've left that unglued for you guys.
So you can remove it easy.
So you could remove it easy and then put the proper sheeting down.
No one was told.
Well, mate,
This is what I mean.
we ran around that week and told. Whether you've forgotten because you're in the other area.
No one told us that.
Well, Macca or something, that house was told, mate. He's missed the process, and now he's just pointing the finger at everyone else. Put your hand up, Luke. Admit you've done something wrong, and stop blaming everyone and just fix it. All day today, I kept saying, mate, when are you getting to the floor? When are you getting to the floor? Nah, it's all be right, I'll do it later. He's only got himself to blame.
Yep.
At that point, I could have stopped and just admitted defeat and said, look, I'm not going to reveal a room this week.
Oh, what do they want us to do?
So what's the
Rip it all out.
solution?
Pull it all up?
Yeah. But I can't give up, and I just had it in my mind we had to get that done.
It's going to take forever.
Life gives you lemons.
So are you worried?
Yes, not revealing a room was a reality when we found out we had to rip the floor up.
Are they going to be able to get it done in time? What about the carpet layers?
Yeah, what about the carpet layers?
You should have done that this morning when you had the opportunity. Mate, we left this morning so we'd leave you alone. Now we're under the pump.
Pubs have just opened up too. You can't go there now. You'll be here.
It's Saturday arvo and you're seeing everyone, like, finished almost, and I'm, like, ripping up my floor. That's like taking you back to Monday.
If I had to rip up flooring at this time of the day on a Saturday before reveal, I'd probably be curled up in a corner crying.
We are up against it.
He doesn't give up, though. He's a fighter, this one. It's nice and peaceful in here, George.
You're not here to tell me to rip my floors up, are you?
Plenty of glue.
Hey, just 10-minute warning, guys. The tools.
It's good to see you having a crack and not giving up.
Just one, two, three, drop.
1, 2, 3, drop. I got it up, I got it down, all glued, ready to go.
5 o'clock, guys. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. massive hurdle. But we did it. We always do it.
No more power tools.
High five.
Well done.